Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset MetaMask password. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your MetaMask app from the app drawer to begin. You'll need to type in your password to log into your MetaMask wallet. In case you've forgotten your password and you'd like to reset your password, from the login page, tap on the Reset Wallet button at the bottom of the screen. Now, in the pop-up displayed, it'll tell you if you want to erase your wallet. Make sure that you have your secret recovery phrases backed up since you'll be deleting your wallet on this page. Tap on I understand continue if you have the secret recovery phrase and type in delete in the text box. Tap delete my wallet and now you'll be able to see this first interface of MetaMask. Now select import using secret recovery phrase option. Type in your secret recovery phrases in the correct order in the first text box on the next page and make sure to put them in the correct order as it is in your secret recovery phrase backup. Once you type in your recovery phrase, type in the new password you would like to reset to in the new password text box. Once you type in your password, confirm by retyping it again in the next field and finally tap on import. Once you have your secret recovery phrases correct, you'll be able to reset your wallet and get logged in back to your account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful to you. If the video was helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.